Hi everyone, today I will show you new stuff I got for my Wolfie. All the links and things I will post below this video. So let's take a look. So here's my Wolfie, and new stuff I wanted to show you is this beauty, new kickstand. It's straight from the Kaabo factory. Owners of Wolf probably know how bad the original kickstand was. Bends a lot, loosen screws and so forth. So this might help solve that issue. It helped me a lot already. It's easy to install. You just unscrew the old one and put this one. It holds on those two screws, holds the whole kickstand. This part helps to fold the kickstand with your leg. I'll show you in a second. It's very sturdy, maybe not too small, but at the same time not too big one. How it works? You can use your feet, just do this and it folds. Or I'll do it from the position of driver. So again, just use your feet and fold it, and that's all. The scooter stands. How this looks like when it's folded. It's like this. So yeah, that will be it. Expect more soon. I will show you another few things I got and changed in this great scooter. See you on the road, guys and girls. Also, two shoutouts. One for GaloreRides and Usoph. Great riders. They can teach you all stuff and tricks that you can do on kick scooters. Check out the wheelie one, which I'm going probably to learn soon. So expect the video from that. And the big one for Michales Sha, who gave me that kickstand for tests to check it out. Really, really thank you, man. I expect to test other scooters and parts for Wolf, I hope. So either way, thanks a lot, guys. See you.